In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up late fees in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll be ready to adjust the settings that control how overdue invoice charges are handled. This feature can be helpful if you want a more consistent process for encouraging on-time payments and reducing the need for manual follow-up. Next, click the gear icon and choose Account and Settings. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the business-wide preferences that affect how your company file works. When the Settings window opens, select Sales from the menu on the left. The Sales section includes options related to invoices, payments, reminders, and, of course, late fees. Now scroll down until you find the Late Fees section, then click Edit. This opens the area where you can customize exactly how late charges will be applied to overdue invoices. From here, turn on the option for default charge applied to overdue invoices. Enabling this tells QuickBooks to automatically use your late fee rules when invoices pass their due date based on the setup you choose. After that, choose the type of late fee you want to charge. You can select a flat fee if you prefer a fixed amount each time, or choose a percentage of the remaining balance if you want the charge to scale based on how much is still unpaid. The best option depends on how your business handles overdue balances. Once you've chosen the fee type, enter the amount or percentage you want to charge. Make sure this reflects your payment policy and is appropriate for your customers. Next, set the frequency for how often the late fee should be applied. This controls whether the charge happens one time or on a repeating basis, depending on the options available in your account. You can also select a grace period if you want to delay when late fees begin. This gives customers a little extra time after the due date before any charges are added, which can be useful if your business prefers a more flexible approach. Then review the Appears on Invoices as field. This is the name customers will see on their invoice for the charge, so you can keep the default wording or edit it to match your preferred terminology. If needed, configure the Apply Sales Tax setting by turning it on or off. Whether this applies depends on your local tax rules and how your business handles service charges, so be sure to choose the setting that fits your situation. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Your late fee settings are now in place and ready to use on overdue invoices. Thanks for watching.